properly so that it gets into proper shape and not much fabric left behind at the center. Stretch the ends also. Now we are going to cut the ends because I don't want such kind of broad ends, so I'm going to cut them in a slanty way. And now I'm going to show you the result and some other pieces that I have made. If you like anyone and want to have the tutorial on them, so please let me know in the comment section down below, and feel free to ask any queries. If you want to know me and my work more, so please go and check out the description box. So here our part is ready. Now we can use it with any kind of studs. This one gives you a flowery look and is of tacky pink and yellow. You can pair it up with big earrings also. The next one will give you as classy and stylish look you are looking for. Then comes the silvery piece. It's quite simple and flattering and can go with your daily wear.